Hello students, today we are going to start brain teasers of chapter 10. First question, tick the correct answer. Which kind of angle do you get when you open any two adjacent fingers of your hand? See, if I open any two fingers, I will get acute angle. An angle measuring 240 degree is known as reflex angle. Supplement of angle of 75 degree that will be obtained by subtracting 75 from 180. So the right answer is 105 degrees. Next, complement of an angle of 55 degree. Subtract this angle from 90 degree, you will get the result as 35 degree. How many right angles can make one complete angle? Complete angle means 360 and right angle means 90. So 4 right angles are required. Next, how many degrees are there in the angle made by the hour hand and the minute hand of a clock when it is 9 o'clock? This is the position of hands of clock and the angle formed here is of 90 degrees. Name the points in the exterior of angle BCA but in the interior of angle ACD. I want to name the angle point which is in the exterior of angle BCA and it should be in the interior of angle ACD. That is point P. It is in the interior and in its exterior. So the answer is P. State the kind of angle between the direction of southeast and north. First of all, make these directions. Now southeast will be here and this is north. So right angle plus acute angle means the angle is obtuse angle. It will be obtuse angle. If the measure of one angle of linear pair is 85 degree, like this, find the other angle. You will do this question yourself. I have already discussed. This is the picture of complete angle. So here to find the measure of x, we will subtract 40 degree from 360 degrees. Now 2 by 3 right angle, how many degrees are there? Multiply this value by 90. The result is 60 degree. Now B and C part you will do yourself. Next question, name the given angle in 6 different ways. This question I have already explained in your previous worksheet, so do it yourself. Question number 4, vertex of angle 1 A. Another name for angle 2 CAD. Another name for angle 1 plus 2, that will be angle BAD. Common arm of angle 1 and 2 is AC. Angle 1 and 2 are adjacent angles because they have a common vertex, common arm. While doing drill, Rohan was asked to about turn. After 2 minutes, he was again asked to turn. How many degrees did Rohan turn in the activity? If initially the Rohan is standing here in this way, now he was asked to turn. If he will turn in this way, he will turn in all an angle of 360 degrees. Now answer in yes or no. Can two acute angles be supplementary? Acute means both are less than 90. Suppose I have taken both angle as 80 degrees each. The sum will be 160. So they cannot be supplementary. So here will no. Can two obtuse angles form a linear pair? Obtuse angle means more than 90. Suppose my angle is 91. Then the sum will be 182. But linear pair is always of 180. So again here no. Can linear pair be supplementary? Yes, look at this linear pair. Here the sum of two angles is 180, so this is supplementary. Can two acute angles be complementary? Yes, I have drawn one angle as 30 degree and another as 60 degree. Both of these have some 90 degree, so these are complementary angles. So this is yes. Can vertically opposite angles be adjacent? Not at all, because they don't have any common arm. Now sum of angle in this figure 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. If you observe, complete circle is there. It should be 360. Angle 3, vertical opposite will be 7. 5, opposite will be 1. 4 and dash are adjacent, 5 or 3. Any one of these can be written. Any one. If 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, except 4, all these, if they have a sum of 320, it should be left with 360 minus 320, that is equal to 40 degrees. Next, fill in the blanks. Sum of the angles forming a linear pair is always equal to 180 degree. Reflex angle lies between 180 degree and 360 degree. Angle whose measure is equal to 360 is called a complete angle. Now the angle turned by minute hand of clock from 2 to 8. If I draw a clock here, 12, 6, 3, 9, I am just drawing only the required numbers from 2 to 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 turns I have taken. In each turn a rotation of 30 degrees there. So the angle will be 180. So I should write here it's a straight angle and measures 180 degrees. Now to get the complement of this angle, subtract the given angle from 90 degree. Now your brain teasers are complete. It's your homework now to revise chapter 10 and complete in your homework notebooks. Thank you.